Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share sweet potato casserole recipe. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I have taken 5 large sweet potatoes. I'll nicely wash them, peel them and cut them into cubes. I'll be cooking in the cooker. You can add all the cubes inside the cooker. Add half glass of water. I will be adding only half glass because I don't want too much of liquid. Very little water. And pressure cook it for 2 steam. 2 whistles will be more than enough. Sweet potatoes are very sweet and also very tender. They get cooked fast very soon. There is very little water. I will be removing even that water. I don't want excess liquid in the sweet potato. This water will be very sweet. You can give it to your kids. To that I am adding half stick of butter. This is approximately 3 tablespoons. And to this I will be adding half glass of milk, whole milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I have taken total of 1 cup of sugar. Now I'll be adding half cup. I'll save half. I'll taste it. If it is not too sweet, I will add the rest of the half. To that I am adding 3 eggs. Vegetarians can switch egg with bread. Every 1 egg you can take 3 slices of bread. So for this quantity you can take approximately 9 slices of bread if you are skipping egg, but egg tastes very great. Blend it nicely together. Blender is not required, but for smooth consistency I am using the blender. Just with potato mash or with any ladder you can just keep mashing it. That's enough. I have taken this casserole. You can also bake in the baking tray. The smooth and creamy consistency you can see. It is very delicious recipe. Surely give it a try. Now we'll prepare the topping. I have taken 1 cup of walnuts and very little almonds. I have chopped few walnuts and few I have kept as full. I have added the remaining half cup of sugar and half cup of flour. To that I am adding just 2 tablespoons of butter. Now nicely mix all this together like a crumble. Spread it on top. This will give a nice crunchy texture to the sweet. It's a very delicious casserole. Surely give it a try. I'll be baking it for 350 Fahrenheit for approximately 30 minutes. 30 minutes is more than enough. 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now the sweet potato casserole is ready. It can be either served hot or even cold. cold is much better. When it is cold with a scoop of vanilla ice cream is also tasting great. Very delicious creamy sweet potato casserole. It will just fly in no time. Once you make it, you will be making it again and again. Hope you all like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.